Hi there, it's Miss Mason here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the word tiny. Yesterday you learned what tiny means, and now today we're going to play a game about things that are very tiny and things that are not very tiny, things that are large. So I'm going to show you an object, and if it's tiny, you're going to say, yes, it is very tiny, and you're going to make your fingers make this little pinching thing so that way it represents tiny. And then if it's something that is large or big, you're going to say, no, that is not very tiny. That is very large. And you're going to open up your arms big and wide to show that it's something that's large. Are you ready? Let's get started. Is a paperclip tiny? Yes, a paperclip is very tiny. And your hand should be like this. Great job. What about is this magnet tiny? Let me hear you. Yes, a magnet is very tiny. What about a water bottle? Is this water bottle tiny? No, this water bottle is not tiny. The water bottle is large. Great job. What about this vehicle or this car? Is this car tiny? Yes, this car is very tiny. It's a very small car. That's not as big as the cars that you have at home. It's tiny. Let's move on to the next object. Is this tablet very tiny? Is this iPad very tiny? No, it is not tiny. It is very large. Great job. Let's move on to the next object. Is this candy bar tiny? Yes, this candy bar is tiny. It's not a large candy bar. It's tiny. Great job. Let's move on. Is this object tiny? It's a toy airplane. Yes, this object is very tiny. It's very small. It's not the size of a large regular plane. It's tiny. Very good job. What about a classroom chair? Is a chair tiny? No, a chair is not tiny. It is very large. Great job. We have two more objects left. Is this book tiny? No, this book is very large. Great job. One more. Is a penny tiny? Yes, a penny is very tiny. Great job sorting objects that are tiny and not tiny. I can't wait to see you in the next one.